Rainbird's 3500 series rotary sprinkler features rain curtain technology, designed to protect and beautify your lawn by applying an evenly distributed coating of water. And because it's from Rainbird, you know you've got a quality product and an unrivaled value. When your system was installed, it was preset to water your landscape without any significant overspray onto sidewalks, walls, or flower beds. But if you should need to adjust the sprinkler's watering distance of throw, you can use the radius adjustment screw. Turning the screw clockwise will decrease the distance of throw by up to 35%, while a counterclockwise turn will increase it up to the nozzle's maximum range. You can also adjust the arc of coverage on the 3500 series rotor anywhere from 40 to 360 degrees. While the sprinkler is running, find the arc adjustment screw on the top of the head. It's the screw located opposite the nozzle stream. Notice the bidirectional arrow and the plus and minus symbols. To increase the arc, turn the adjustment screw clockwise toward the plus sign. To decrease the arc, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise toward the minus sign. The 3500 series rotor is built to provide years of trouble-free operation, and it's very easy to maintain. But over time, it's not uncommon for the filter in a rotor to collect debris. Sometimes this will lead to clogging. If this happens to one of your 3500 series rotors, you may want to clean it yourself. All you'll need is a regular flat blade screwdriver. First, determine the rotor's arc setting and position. You'll be partially disassembling the rotor to clean the filter, so it's important to reset the rotor afterward. With the water turned off, start by rotating the top of the sprinkler counterclockwise until you feel resistance, then clockwise, and then counterclockwise again until you feel resistance. Note the position of the arrow on top of the rotor. Mark the direction of the arrow with a pen or coin. Later, this will help you put the rotor back in its original position. Now, turn the entire upper portion of the sprinkler in a counterclockwise direction. Make certain that you're turning only the top portion of the sprinkler head, while the body or case remains stationary. Now remove the internal components and turn the unit base up to locate the filter screen. Place the end of a screwdriver in the hole on the side of the filter. Then lay the screwdriver across the base and pry the filter out. You clean the filter by rinsing it in clear water. Then reinstall the filter screen, making sure it snaps all the way into place. Now line up the arrow on the top of the sprinkler head with the position of your temporary marker, and reinsert the internal assembly back into the case. Finally, turn the top of the sprinkler back and forth until you feel resistance to check that the arc setting is correct. Another less frequent area where debris can clog up a rotor is at the nozzle. To clean the nozzle, first find the slot on the side of the stem and use the screwdriver to lift it high enough to grasp it with your hand. Next, find the radius adjustment screw located directly over the nozzle. Turn it counterclockwise until it's no longer holding the nozzle in place. Now you can remove the nozzle. Insert the screwdriver into the slot just below it and carefully pry it out. Clean the nozzle by rinsing it in clear water, and make sure the throat of the sprinkler is also free of any debris. Now replace the nozzle and tighten the radius adjustment screw until the nozzle is again held in place. The 3500 series rotor. Convenience, value, and performance.